Oh,
Mag-start namin karong mga 10 minutes. Oh, hi! Namin karon sa mga round 7 sa CDR Shooters, no? Sa CAS shooting competition, ang practical o ang shoot-off competition. It might be this is the second to the last of a final championship. As you know, this is our target, and we have elimination this morning, and most of them are already eliminated. There are only three left. Me, myself, at the back, who's Billy Bailosis and Cari Santos. And fortunately, James and Dana are supposed to be competing with us, but he's recovering right now. He's just at the back, and we're very thankful that he uh, let us use the place for the competition. So we have our trophy there, our medal, by the way, and I hope we have a good time. And on my left, we also prepare some charcoal to eat. It's just a barbecue
Hi,
later on.
we are here right now at the backyard doing the shoot off or air soft competition. There are only three remaining guys. The consistency and the accuracy is still here. Sandy Sangkap, Cari Santos, and Billy Beluses. So we will see today which of the three is the best. This is now is the best for fighting for the best. Okay, so just watch and
Sa
enjoy.
restaurant mo ka? Champion for champion na
yeah,
Nabili.
we're fighting for champion. We're only 3 people now, so we'll see.
I hope you enjoy watching this competition. So see you guys later. Bye.
I want to explain myself to you, but you're not talking to me. No, I'm not expecting you to hear me out. Staring up at the clouds, I'm thinking I know that I've hurt you again, but I didn't mean it. It's never gonna happen again. Please believe me. Tell me now, I'll do anything para sa'yo. Kahit ano'y gagawin at kakayanin ko. Haharapin ang mga hamon mo. Tell me now, I'll do anything para sa'yo. Para sa'yo. You've been ignoring me for days, but I can't sit and wait. So now I'm asking you to hear me out and share your common ground. All of us make mistakes, and I didn't mean it. Let me make it up, you'll see it. Tell me now, I'll do anything para sa'yo. Kahit ano'y gagawin at kakayanin ko. Haharapin ang mga hamon mo. Tell me now, I'll do anything para sa'yo. Para sa'yo.
Okay, stage 1. Billy Bailosis.
Hindi naman sila maalog, di ba? Yung first power na mo
A moving car. finish. Unload and shoot clear. If clear, hammer down and holster. Thank you.
Ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Yun din na naisip ko. Yun din naisip ko, Ben, eh. Kuha siya power to flight sa kabila, eh.
Okay. Ako ang ikuan.
Tawagan kita.
Shooters ready? Ready. Stand by.
Ay. Okay, Ben.
Finish, unload and shoot clear. If clear, hammer down and holster. Thank you. Time. Time.
44-20.
44-20. Patis na ang second o third. Basket ang kontra.
Pabilis.
Okay, okay. Okay, shooter ready? Ready. Stand by.
Yeah, because every day it's running hot. The winding can still hold until it becomes weak. Yeah. That's why it's air restricted, right?
Kanang usay, balik na ha.
Atan.
If finish, unload and shoot clear. If clear, hammer down and holster.
Shooter ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Yeah.
Shooters, are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
Bala. May takip. May takip pa pala. Parang may agit ng maganda. Maraming grits eh.
Hoy! Alright. You finish, unload and shoot clear. You clear, hammer down and holster. Thank you. Ayay! Naka 3. Naka 3 Bart. Minus 3. Shoot. Shoot.
Shooters, are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
And finish, unload and show clear. You clear, hammer down and holster. Sige, istorya tayo. Murag.
Piki.
Time! Naka 1 pag yan, oh.
45-20.
Bonus, Ato ang 1. istorya nila.
Oh.
Alga.
Shooter ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Lukul siya. Bayad lang sila. Imbis dili mo ni siya mo. Okay.
Okay, shooters ready? Ready? Stand by.
Rumah light Bart.
Ay, zero.
If it is, unload and show clear. If clear, hammer down. Holster, thank you. Kita ka to, automatic.
Machine gun pa eh.
Sila. Oy.
OC yun ah.
5, -5, +5 day.
Shooter ready? Ready. Stand by. Kita na ko buang-buang rin eh. Ano pong para usa? Gay dun sa alanganin.
If finish, unload and show clear. If clear, hammer down and holster. Thank you. Target. Down. Oh, naka-minus to. Nakatira pa dito.
Wow! Easy, easy.
Second to the last.
Okay, shooter ready.
Ready?
Stand by.
Ayay! Yun na lang. Klaro kayong buwag.
Ready. Stand by.
To finish, unload and show clear. If clear, hammer down and holster. Thank you. Ayay!
42.15.
What?
42.50.
Ah. That's a bonus.
Shooter ready.
May bonus pa?
Stand by.
No. No, 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 no.
If finish, unload and shoot clear.
Di naman ko kita.
If clear, hammer down.
Di naman ko
Holster.
kita sa corridor.
Pasensya. Oh, how was it? Oh, 0. Just a complete target. Complete. 0.
Ready?
Ready.
Bye.
Puta ina. Wala ko tong dagan ano.
Shooters ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
Sarira. Alright, if finish, unload and shoot clear. Clear, hammer down and holster. Go.
Minus 3 pa.
Hala.
Minus.
Ay, nako,
Guys.
39 na lang yan, 37.
Ayan na, bullseye pa dyan.
Ha?
Bullseye.
182.
Kamay na lang.
Shooter ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
Stop. Stop. Bye.
Time.
70, 87.
Okay.
Shooter ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Shooters ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
Oh. Time.
Baba pa rin, no?
Ready?
Ready?
I climbed
Bye.
did it.
Be careful, ha?
Wala yun.
Okay.
Di na marunong ibu ni ka.
Na.
Wala
Ito
na.
na, oh.
Ubus na. Complete na lang.
Ready?
Shooter ready?
Ready?
You can. Oh, I saw a spider. Spider web. Oh, spider.
Baw! Baw! Dapat pa tayo sa naupuan ko, ah. Baw! Baw!
Ka!
Ha?
29:47.
Shooters ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
No. Action.
Uy, ay, ay. Uy,
Dere na.
ay.
Okay,
Ay, ay. Hindi na sikinggan. Wala niyo siya.
okay, give me that. Now, my turn. Oh no, it's just slipper.
Bakit ba ito hindi ko pa pwede?
This one, this one.
Wow, okay na.
Alright, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for coming. This is our round 7 of the Chicago Riders Air Shooters. So, unfortunately, this morning we had our elimination. It seems that everybody is eliminated except the three of us, Kari, Billy, and me. So, this is the battle of the champions. And hopefully we could have another one next month. So I hope that everybody can come. So because we still have shoot off round robin competition, so we have to finish this. So if you want to come next month, so this is your chance to fill that up. And also I would like to thank James and Dada who given us a chance to use the place. So thank you very much, James and Rada. All right, let's go to the awarding. So the practical shooting with the score of, let me see, Kari Santos 43 seconds and 21. Alright. First, Gary Santos for the practical shooting. First,
Yay!
daghan mo.
Yay!
Hey!
Yay!
First, it's hard to beat. Practice. Thank you. Alright. Second place goes to, with the score of saan may ubos na ba? 44.24. The security team, Sandy Sangap.
Yay!
Hey, sorry boy. Ihatag mo.
Hey!
Ikaw hatag ka kay. Kuan man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Second, first, second. Ikaw ko ba tutukan? Alright, the third place goes to Billy Viloses. Okay, let's move on to our third place practical shooting competition goes to Billy Viloses with an average score of 4.58. But you know what, there's a little bit problem with this gun. It's very expensive. But you know, anything can happen. Thank you.
Yay!
And hope to you beat us next time, alright?
Salamat.
Alright, let's go to shoot off competition.
Oh, na.
And first place goes to Sandy Sangkap, myself. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Pakpak po mo dyan na suluyo.
Mga hilong kaya na sila da, dili maningog.
Alright. Okay, may higala namin karon sa balay ni Billy Viloses, no? Nag-celebral mi sa mong daog. Sa practical shooting kanina si Kari ni daog, no? Kari Santos. Wa na dyan mabikil bisa pag ni automatic yang pusil. Daog yapon may higala. First is practical, pero nadibala siya sa shooting competition mo sa shoot off. Ako may daog. Pero ang third may higala. Atong kabalo kagaon sa amin rin. Namin rin ka Billy, kay kanila laging ni daog mi. So karaoke lang mi. Kaya naman nagkantas tatay, gipahulay na microphone. Kung sa'yo ka istorya tay?
Malas.
Nga naman?
Wala. Di kaigo akong pusil.
Lawa na naka-third. Lingaw-lingaw lang may gala. Celebration sa mundog! Billy Viloses!
We gaze into forever as we telescope the night sky. The comet burns and lights my soul like your eyes.